People often feel problems like upset stomach, swelling, and inflammation. This problem of excessive heat in the stomach is caused by spicy food, excessive alcohol drinking, or late night meals. Stomach heat is a condition where excessive heat is generated due to fast digestion process. Stomach heat should be brought under control, otherwise it can cause complex health problems. To calm the heat of the stomach, you can include some natural things in your diet. These things with cold effect cool your stomach. First of all, we will know the symptoms of stomach heat: acidity, stomach irritation, bloating or flatulence, feeling nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, stomach cramps or pain, or loose stools. If you feel stomach burning and heat, then you should eat cold things. Include such things in your diet which are rich in water. When the heat in the stomach increases, burning occurs in the stomach. Due to this, acidity also increases. Drinking cold milk also soothes stomach burning. Apart from this, eat banana, cucumber, curd, fennel, or boiled rice. If you are experiencing the symptoms repeatedly, diarrhea is severe, and vomiting is also happening frequently, then consult a doctor without delay. In case of diarrhea and vomiting, home remedies can increase the risk. It is important to consult a doctor as soon as possible. Most of dairy products can be difficult to digest. However, this is not the case with curd and buttermilk. Curd helps in increasing the number of good bacteria in your stomach, which removes the heat and helps in digestion and other systems. To get relief from stomach heat, you can include curd or buttermilk in your diet every day. Cooling herbs like mint and chamomile help reduce stomach heat. A cup of mint and chamomile tea can relieve acidity from the stomach and cool the stomach. You can drink up to 2 cups of such tea a day. Cold milk helps to cool down the temperature in the stomach and also reduces the level of acid present. They help to soothe the discomfort caused by heat in the stomach. A glass of cold milk every day can help you get relief from hot stomach. Boiled white rice cools the stomach and increases the amount of water. Do not add any spices or herbs to the rice. Eat plain. It would be better if you mix it with curd and black salt. Share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.